Welcome to OrthoAxis, where you can find everything orthopedic in one easy location. This video is for training purposes only. OrthoAxis does not promote or support specific products on their site. I'm Wendy, and in this video, we'll go step by step through using the forum. So let's get started. First, we'll go to OrthoAxis at www.doortoaxis.com. Once you're on the home page, the first thing you need to do is log into your account here. If you don't have an account, you can create one by going to Get Started Now down here. You can find step-by-step instructions here at the question mark icon, or if you'd like a video tutorial, you can click on this play icon. You do need to have an account to access all of OrthoAxis's features, including the forum that we're going to be looking at today. If you'd like, you can pause the video now and go ahead and create your account. I'm going to go ahead and log in, and I'm logging in today as Fracture Man. Fracture Man is our demo account. He's also our in-house cartoon, and you can follow his adventures on our homepage. To begin collaborating, click on the Forum tab here on the homepage. You will see a list of specialty topics that you can choose from. We are going to go down into our test forum. Just click on the title of the forum that you'd like to go into to open it up. To create a new forum post, first we'll click here on New Topic, then here to put in our subject title, and then here so that we can put in our text. You can post about a case or just ask a question to the community. Whatever you post, please make sure it's HIPAA compliant and do not include any personal health information. Now once I have my text in, you can scroll down and see that you have a few options, including this one here, to be notified when a reply is posted. I can also click here if I want to include an attachment. I would click here on Add Files. Files that are currently supported are JPEG and PNG files. I'm going to go here and select a file, open it up. Now the path to add a file might be just a little bit different depending on your computer or browser. But once you've added that, you should see your file show up down here in the bottom. I can also add a file by dropping and dragging it into my text box up here. Let's go grab a file, put in a Fracture Man picture. I'm going to drop that and drag that in. Notice that it did not drop it right into the box. If you scroll down, you can see it right down here though. It's been added to my attachments. Now I have one more option with these attachments. I can choose to leave them as they are, and they will just show up at the bottom of my text in line, or I can put them in line in my text. In order to do that, I'm going to use this button right here called Place in Line. But first, I need to put my cursor where I want it. So for example, if I have some x-rays that I want to use an example of what I'm explaining, I can go to the place in my text where I want that example to show up. I put my cursor there, and that picture is going to show up wherever my cursor is. So now when I come down here, I choose which picture I want, I select Place in Line, and now you can see that it says an attachment has been put there. You're not going to see the picture show up, so if I want to see what that looks like, I need to go down here to my preview button. Let's see here. Now we can see what our post looks like. We have our title, we have our text, and that picture has been placed in line right where my cursor was. I can continue to do that. I can add other pictures in, or if I'm happy with my post as is, any other attachments that I've left are just going to be added at the end of the post. Nice little Fracture Man cartoon for you there. I can choose to save this as a draft if I want to continue working on it later, or if I'm happy with everything, I can click Submit. And now my post is live, so other people are able to see it, interact with it, and respond to it. I can respond to it myself too here by clicking Post a Reply. Let's look at some of the other options that we have, some other tools that are available. Right here where this wrench icon is, I can click this drop-down menu, and I can subscribe or unsubscribe to this topic. I'm currently subscribed. I can bookmark it, I can email, and I can look at a print preview and print it off. Other options that I have, since this is a post that I did, I can edit it. I can also delete it. Others won't be able to edit or delete your posts. Only you can do that. And then for any post out there, I can report the post. Maybe there's some questionable content and I want to report it to the admins. And I can also reply with a quote. Up here, I have the option to click on this question mark for some posting instructions. If you'd like some step-by-step instructions, you can do that. And then if I scroll down to the bottom, I have one more option down here, which is this jump to button. If I click here, this gives me the option to jump to some other forums that I could collaborate in if I wanted to. And there was one more thing up here that I wanted to show you. If you click here on this icon, it's going to open up some quick links where I can jump to my own posts, to unread ones, I can look at my likes list, whatever I would like to do there. To delete your post, you would come here to this X box, click on it, and then you can click this box that says permanently delete. You could also put in a reason for your deletion if you wanted, and then you would click this box here, yes, to permanently delete your post. Now our post has been deleted. To post a reply in a forum, first I'll select the forum I'd like to collaborate in. Next, I'll select the topic I'd like to reply to. And then I go up here to post reply. Now I can come in and type the subject of my reply, remembering to keep everything HIPAA compliant. I can go over here and add a smiley if I'd like. I can come down and preview. I can also add an attachment if I'd like. And then I would hit submit. Now my reply has been posted. I have the option of editing or deleting, as well as reporting the post or replying with a quote. And then the other option that I have is that I can come over here to this wrench icon and I can subscribe to this topic if I'd like, or if I click on it, I've now subscribed. I can click again if I want to unsubscribe. To subscribe to a specialty forum, first select the forum, and then scroll to the bottom to the checkmark box here. When there is no check in the box, then you are subscribed to the forum. If I would like to unsubscribe, I need to check that box again, and then I am no longer subscribed. Thank you for watching our forum tutorial today. If you have any questions, please visit us at www.doortoaccess.com or on social via Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn.